This is a review of the HARDELL 8-volt cordless rotary tool. And the brand did send me a free one so I can create this video for you today. Now, I've done other videos for this brand before, but this one might be my favorite. And the reason why is this tool is cordless and it's lightweight. Not only that, it's got a LED ring light. That's right, you can see right away when you turn it on, the ring light turns on as well. Now it's got 5 different speed settings, which I'm going to demonstrate here. You simply press here. See, it goes stronger, stronger, stronger. And there you go, the fastest setting there. You're going to get 42 accessories: sanding, polishing, engraving, grinding, and drilling. So all these accessories here are included. I wanted to demonstrate the engraving, so let me turn it back on again here. Okay, here we go. It does charge very quickly using this included Type-C USB cord here, and it also comes with a little handy carrying case, and I would highly recommend this for anyone who wants a tool for little projects around the house.